A very good morning, students. How are you all? All are fine? All are good at home? Doing studies at home? So let's start today's class. Today is 24th December 2020 and the day is Thursday. It is our revision test 2. Children, bring out your mathematics notebook. Write down today's date, day, and write down the heading also. It is revision test 2 and write down CA also. You have practiced about the subtraction. आप लोगों ने subtraction की practice की थी घर पे? So let's start today's test. Question number 1. Subtract the following numbers. नीचे दिए गए numbers को subtract कीजिए. The A question is, firstly write down TO. TO is for tens place and ones place. Now write down the number 5757 minus 4444. Just subtract them and write down the answers at the correct place. Now question number B. Write down firstly TO and then 4141 minus 3030. Subtract them and write down the answer. Write down the numbers in the proper manner. बच्चों, इन numbers को proper manner में लिखना, proper way में लिखना, जैसे मैथ्स की नोटबुक में लिखते हैं TO के साथ. Now question number C. The numbers are 7676 minus 5252. Just subtract them. इन्हें subtract कीजिए और इनका आंसर लिखिए. And question number D. 3535 minus 1212. So children, do your work in a neat and clean manner. Write down the numbers in a neat and clean way and do the subtraction carefully. Do the subtraction carefully. Now the next question is question number 2. Write the time shown by the clocks. Children, there are 3 clocks shown. बच्चों, आप इस क्वेश्चन में 3 clocks देख रहे हैं. Just see the time and write down on the given place. जो टाइम आपको इस क्लॉक में दिखाई दे रहा है, इस टाइम को आपने इन गिवन स्पेसेस में लिखना है. Just see the hands properly and tell the time. आप लोगों को टाइम देखना आ गया? थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ में आता है ना आप कैसे टाइम देखते हैं. इन हैंड्स को अब आप समझते हो ना ठीक से. So just write down the time properly at the given place. इन blank places पर आपने इनके टाइम लिखने हैं. There are 3 questions given, A, B and C. Draw these clock in your maths notebook. Now, I am going to read the next question. This question is clear to you now? Question number 2 समझ में आ गया ना सबको? Okay. Now this is the third question. Draw the our hand to match the time. Children, I have given the time here. मैंने यहाँ पर टाइम शो कर रखा है और आपने इन क्लॉक्स में आवर हैंड ड्रॉ करना है. दिस इज द मिनट हैंड एंड नाउ ड्रॉ द आवर हैंड. So what is the time given here? In question A, the time is 2 o'clock. The time is 2 o'clock. In question B, the time is 7 o'clock. And in question number C, the time is 10 o'clock. Children, can you see the things carefully? Can you understand the things? आप लोग देख सकते हैं इन घड़ियों को और इस टाइम को आप रीड कर सकते हैं ना? So just understand the things and draw the hour hand. So children, this was your today's test. Do your test in your maths notebook. Take care, children.